cleaned up a little bit, get things a little more organized. All the 58 stacked up, ready to go. Out here's where we're cleaned up mostly. Out here I got my flat sander, my resaw saw. My sander that does a little bit of everything, as you can tell. Yeah. Got the joiner on this end. Got the saw in the middle, but I don't use it very much. Got my little CNC room in here. It's in a room closed up, where I can close it up. See, there's the drill press, pin router. It's got vacuum hose right there. Pin here, bit there. Bits go in that box for those, and drill bits are in that box. Extra inserts for the table are in here. Got this neck ready to go. Fixing to take that to it and cut the truss rod slot. I've been running vacuum hose today. Run that down across. So I got it where it feeds this machine here and comes in the back, goes over here. Feeds the bandsaw here. Adding those bears for the buffer when I use it. It's my little rolly cart. All my clamps. There's the headstock, 17 degree. There's the glue up. There's for cutting the cheeks. There's for cutting the 17. There's all the side profiles. There's the back round over on the back of the neck. And that's the truss rod the way I used to do it, but now that I got the Shopsmith, I got another way. And then over here, we got a whole bunch of templates and stuff ready to go. Got some more clamps, so I can make more clamps. And then my little bigger CNC right here that I rebuilt. This was a 2006 machine and built from a set of plans, and it was okay. It's a solid, but it needed work, so I replaced everything on it from here up. Yeah, everything. So there we go. Got it all cleaned up. Got a pile of trash to go outside and a little more sweeping to do tomorrow, but at least you can walk in here now.